service call holding. Line 1. Customer service call holding. Line 1.
They're a lot of work. Rats are easy to take care of, right?
Service call holding. Line 1. Customer service call